Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. Once again, this is a cost savings question, as you can see in this long wall of text. So we've got 201 classrooms, 401 offices. There are 14 fluorescent lights, but only half of them are used. The campus operates 240 days per year, and 5 hours per day is not used. So the energy per cost, or cost per energy, is 12 cents per kilowatt hour. We want to find the savings per year when the lights are switched off. Step 1, there is no free body diagram, so we can skip that. Step 2, list all the given variables from the question and find the unknown. So we're trying to find the cost per year. Okay, so step 3, find the cost savings formula. So that's energy savings multiplied by the unit cost of energy, which is the 12 cents per kilowatt hour. So they give that to us. Step 4, find the formula for energy savings. So that is the total energy of lighting multiplied by unoccupied hours. What we're going to do is we're going to find all the unknowns to backtrack and find the energy savings. We're going to start off with unoccupied hours, step 5. So that's 5 hours a day multiplied by 240 days per year. That is 1,200 hours per year. Next, we're going to find the total energy lighting formula. So that's the lighting of the office plus the classrooms. We're going to start off with the office formula, which is step 7. So that is power consumed multiplied by lamps. Step 8, we plug in the values. So 401 offices multiplied by 14 divided by 2, because only half of those are being used, multiplied by 111 watts. That will give us 311.5 kilowatts for the energy in the office. Next, step 9, find the formula for the classroom. It's the same power consumed multiplied by lamps. Step 10, plug and play. So 201 classrooms multiplied by 14 divided by 2 of the lights, and then multiplied by 111 watts. That will give us 623 kilowatts of energy. Step 11, find the total lighting energy. So you add them up. So 311.5 kilowatts is from step 8, right over here. And then step 10, the previous answer, which is 623 kilowatts. You add them together, you get 934.7 kilowatts. Step 12, find the energy savings. You multiply these together. So 934.7 kilowatts per year multiplied by 1,200 hours. And that is, okay, so that will give us 1,121,640 kilowatt hours per year. Step 13, now we can backtrack and find the cost savings. So now that we have the energy savings from step 12, we can now, apologies, that's copy and paste error. It should be this. Okay. So that will give us, so that's the 1,100,021,640 kilowatts per hour multiplied by 12 cents. So that will give us cost savings of $134,596.8 per year saved. Okay, just to make sure our math is correct because of copy and paste, let me just check it. Okay, can confirm that is the final answer. Alright, disclaimers. The method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now, before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. And for everyone else, you can find snipping tool in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search and type in snipping tool and open up the program. For Linux users, I don't know what you guys use. Okay, so once you have the program open, go to video option. So click on that and then click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Then click on the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Click on the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Click on the red square in snipping tool to stop recording. Then save your video. Alright, so thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in this video, leave it in the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.